So this app has already got 10 million downloads, so I am guaranteed at least 10 views in this video. Hey guys, happy 2019 and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, then buckle up because you're in for a wild ride. So today's video is going to be another app review, but it's going to be on a game which has been all over the internet recently as apparently spying on your children. Now about 4 years ago I did also do another app review on that apparently spies on your children, and it worked out very well for me, so I'll be doing it again today. The app I'm talking about in today's video is called Zepeto. I think that's how it's pronounced. I've been all over Twitter at the moment, it's literally everywhere. I was a bit like, oh well, doesn't really bother me, it doesn't look at anything I really want to play. But then I saw the article saying that apparently it's tracking your children using artificial intelligence, and that was it for me. I was like, right, this could actually work out for me again this year, so I'm going to give this a go. So without further ado, let's begin. So I've already put it into Google Play and I've already installed it, and yes, I know I did spell it wrong. That was generally a typo on my part. I did actually know how to spell it, I promise. And I've noticed already that it's got 10 million downloads. Allows Zepeto to take pictures, allows Zepeto to record audio, allows Zepeto to access photos, media, files and device. Yes, allow to all of that. To be fair, most apps I see nowadays give you that option anyway, so I don't think there's anything really to be too alarmed about. There's your gender, female. Oh, I could take a picture of myself. Okay, so that's why I wanted to do a camera. Alright, fair enough. What the hell is that? It looks nothing like me. Oh, I do get the option to change it, that's good. Okay, I might keep my hair the same, so that's how my hair actually looks. My hair's more like this. Oh my god, why's my face changed? Oh Jesus. Let's go for this colour actually. Yeah, that's much more like my colour. I also like the fact that the hair isn't actually straight at all, like there's bits all over the place, which is just like my hair, so it's absolutely perfect. So we're going to move on now. Make it look as much like me as possible. Why are the eyes so weird looking? I look insane. Go for custom. That's better. My eye looks a lot fatter than the other, but I just pretend I got beaten up or something. Okay, name yours. I'll call myself Becky. You know, nice and boring as always. I like that coat. That's cute. I love that. I've only got 1,000 coins. I'm just going to spend it all on a coat. What the hell is this? Is that a Fortnite dance? Oh Jesus Christ! Oh, that is creepy as hell. What is that? Right, I don't really know what I'm meant to be doing now. Daily quest. Okay, let's do some quests. I don't understand the point of this game. First time is Zepeto. Okay, go. Quest races making Zepeto complete. I'm gonna get some more money because I've literally spent it all on a coat, so I can spend some more money now. Let's get a fireplace with stockings on it because oh no, actually no. As it's currently New Year's Day as I film this, it won't be by the time you guys see this, but it's still New Year's Day at the moment, so I'm just gonna buy a cake, a pink table with champagne and a 2019 cake on it. So I'm back onto daily quest. I've just completed one quest and I'm going to try and do the Zepeto tutorial because I have no idea how to play this game. Leave greetings. Either Zepeto will sit. I'm going to go for the nicer one and go for the wave. Yo. Alright, that's the first greeting done. Okay, right. First greeting complete. 100 coins. Make an emoji. You may be able to use it in Messenger. Okay, so I've actually got to make an emoji to get the coins. I'm going to choose one of these now. Oh, I've actually got to create one myself. Okay. Right, alright then. That's totally up my game now. I can wink. That's way too inappropriate for a kid's game. Okay, never mind. Moving on. Anyone else go around in life doing this kind of thing? I think we're done anyway, so go for that. Yes. Right, made an emoji now. Complete, yes. Now I'll go take a photo. Oh, yeah. I'm not saving it. I'm not saving that to my phone. I'll complete the tutorial. We're now on to the second one. Meet other Zepetos with look around. Just follow random people. Okay. So it just randomises people and you just follow them if you want to. Okay, so tutorial 2 involves having to socialise with other people in the app. I don't really want to do today, so I won't be doing that. But I noticed I've also got notifications up here and I've actually got a red dot notifications, so look and see who that is now. Actually, I've got a follower. She's 14. And I'm from Argentina. Right, so if we move on to the serious part of the video, I'll try and be serious and mature for a minute. Turns out talking to Angela does not spy on your children, and this one doesn't either, because doing my own investigation, that is not what it does, but I can see the dangerous aspects behind it. For example, the second tutorial, you can follow other Zepetos for coins. Now, I can see why people will want to do this, because use coins to decorate your house or your background, use coins to choose your clothes you want to wear. But I can see a dangerous aspect to it as well, because you literally put it into randomizer and you just follow whoever you want to follow. Now, I'm going to go into randomizer right now, and you can see random characters will come up every single time. Obviously, it looks like a really great way to make friends, but at the same time, it could be literally anybody. For example, the girl who followed me on this game, like, I'm not a dangerous person at all, I'm completely harmless, couldn't even hurt a fly, but the point is, she's 14, I'm 26, and she must have found me through this randomizer, and she had no idea how old I am, and she could one day follow someone who could actually be quite a dangerous person. And I can see how kids can get groomed through this app. And if you go onto their profile, for example, this Lindsay, I don't know how old she is or anything either, but you've got the option to message them straight away. You don't need to be friends with them or follow them to message them, so that's another aspect that could be quite dangerous to your kids. I'm going to go into terms and conditions, because people are getting really worried that this game is tracking all your every move and your microphone and all that, and I generally do believe, by the looks of things, it's literally the microphone is just used to make videos from your character, and apparently they track your actions as well, but I don't believe that's true either. Now, I'm going to go and find the terms and conditions now. I'm not going to do it in the app because I can't be bothered to read them all. So I'm going to go and find an article about the terms and conditions instead, so you guys can listen to it and make up your own mind, basically, what you think about it. Also, apparently the terms and conditions are in Korean anyway, so this article has kindly translated them for people who can't speak Korean, so I wouldn't be able to read them even if I did bother to find them. Without further ado, here's what we found out about Zepeto, you know what I mean. All of your content can be viewed by others, and you can manage access to your content through the privacy settings feature. Employees of a company can see user content uploaded to Zepeto. Please note, although we take reasonable steps to safeguard personal content, we cannot guarantee 100% security, and third parties may break through security and access your personal content. Carefully consider the content destination of messages you send. Anyone can capture the screen, but do not save it or share it with friends. Zepeto notifies the sender when it detects the screen capture has occurred, but it does not guarantee 100% prevention. The most important part is all your content can be viewed by others, but you can manage access to your content privacy settings feature. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys found that mildly informative at least. The moral of this video is, yes, it's a very fun game to play if you're much younger than I am, and it's also a great way to make new friends and meet new people. But it also has got a dangerous aspect to it as well, but then again, so is most of the internet. But please, all I ask is, if you ever have a message that makes you feel very uncomfortable, or even start to feel uncomfortable in any way from someone you do not know, then please report it. That's enough advice on Becky from today. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more of my content, please don't forget to press the subscribe button down below, and also the bell button notified all weekly uploads. I hope you guys all have a fantastic 2019, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.